All right, I think I found some safer ground here. Oh my gosh, big one. I was just thinking too, I hope it's like last night where it's just big one after big one. This is a really good one. I set the hook and it was like lifting up a freaking rock. All right, we're gonna see if we can repeat what happened last night. Tonight, I got a little more time. Don't have to leave right away. Sorry, I got a phone call, but like I was saying, I try to repeat what happened yesterday. This time, I'm gonna throw a Nico crawl around. I don't know if I can show this color or not, but here it is. And I have it on a North Branch tackle football jig. It's orange. It's got a brown skirt on there, some orange pigments to it. Look at that, got a fish on already. First cast. Oh, he pulled off. One thing I did change is I upgraded my leader to a 10-pound leader instead of the 8-pound. As you guys saw, I caught a couple fish. And then from not retying my knot, I ended up losing one. So I just wanted to strengthen my leader just a touch. But the bass were eating the jig so good yesterday, I figured might as well just keep that trend going. There we go. This feels like a good one. Not a bad one. Got my buddy George over there with his daughter. I'm gonna take this fish over there, see if she wants to see it. It's a really good one to start the evening here. Well, it's a good sign they're still in this area. Yeah, I wanted to show your daughter, see if she wanted to see it. You want to let them go? What? You can let them go if you want. You know what that is? It's a smallmouth bass.
You want to let them go?
We can put them in the water. Come here.
Say bye.
Bye-bye. It got my shoe wet.
Got me wet too.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, of course. Told you they're here, man.
Yeah, they're here.
Keep casting. That's awesome. I do this for my own joy, but I also do it for the kids. Kids love fishing. They love seeing the fish, watching the fish swim away. It's a blessing being able to do this. There's one good one. Lost one, caught a good one. I know there's more here too. At least now I can see the bottom, that way I'm not stepping down a big hole. Last night I could not see anything with all the waves. Another one. That one crushed it. A little bit smaller, but still catching some nice ones. I don't think I said it when I was showing this lure, but it's an 1/8 ounce, so I'm using a pretty light weight because I want it to have a slow fall. I don't want it to drop real quick, and I don't want it to really dig into the bottom. Just kind of want it to be subtle and gentle. And these fish are not the smartest fish, but they're not dumb either. They see something that looks like a bulldozer digging into the ground. I don't know if they're gonna want it. With the buoyancy of the Nico Craw, has a really slow fall to it, and it kind of just, I don't want to say skips across the bottom, but just barely glides across the bottom. Does not dig in hard at all. And that's just my preference of fishing. That's just how I prefer my baits. Now if the river was high and it was muddy and fast current, that'd be a different story, but It's not too wild here right now. There's one. Some of them are crushing it, and some of them are just barely picking it up. Not a bad one. Got something coming out of him right there. That's not good. Go get better, bud. I did not realize there was this deep hole right here. I gotta figure out how to get out of it. Looks shallow up here. Good Lord. That was a quick drop off right there. Oh, and I got a fish. Not a bad fish either. And it's still super deep here. Like literally on my tippy toes. Wow, he is angry. Oh, just swam right into my leg. Another good one. Better one too. Better than the last couple we just caught. Thanks for the awesome fight, bud. Alright, I think I found some safer ground here. Oh my gosh, big one. I was just thinking too, I hope it's like last night where it's just big one after big one. This is a really good one. I set the hook and it was like lifting up a freaking rock. Oh, stop jumping. Another just absolute unit. They're loving jigs right now, guys. I don't know what your jigs of choice are to throw, but look at that. I highly suggest you tie one on and throw it. Wow, that is a beauty there. All right, let's see if we can do it again. Oh man, I can't help but smile, especially when you catch a good one, and then another good one, and then another good one, and you literally don't move. You just cast in the same spot. That's fall fishing, man. Oh, I had another one. That felt really good too. I know a lot of you guys that watch my channel are seasoned anglers. And this tip I'm about to say, most of you know, but biggest thing with jig fishing, or if you're fishing like a football jig or something like that, just make sure you're keeping bottom contact. With the braid to fluorocarbon leader, which I use, braid gives you a lot of sensitivity, so I can just feel each tick of the rock. That way I know I'm still dragging it on the bottom. Oh, let's set this over there. Oh, big smallie. Oh my gosh. Do you have something too? I don't know. Oh, I think I'm snagged. I got a tank of a smallie on.
All right, I'm snagged.
I have a beast of a smallie.
Oh, yeah, you do.
Another one with him. get him. Yeah, that freaking. Jeez.
That is a beast, bro.
On the worm. Saw him over there swimming. Dude, that is a freaking beast of a smallmouth.